Hello, you got Mr.
and Mrs.
Smith. And prior to joining myEcon, I mean, honestly, we had no clue about money. I mean, me personally, my family, they didn't know anything about minimizing taxes, getting out of debt, boosting their credit score, passive residual income, asset accumulation. And since they didn't know anything about it, how could they teach it? So I knew nothing literally about money until I started seeking it. And when I found myEcon, I was like, why isn't this not something that I didn't learn in school? So since being in myEcon, we've literally been able to cash flow over $200,000, get credit scores over 800, get out of debt, and work full time from home and not have to rely on the job. And we're just anxious and excited to help others get on the right track to being investors and bettering their finances, and anxious to help couples all across America get on track, because money is one of the things that couples lack in their discussion and in their education. So we're excited to share this with the masses.
Yes, you guys, and we're parents. We have twin boys that are almost 4 years old.
Yep.
And it's just a really refreshing feeling to be able to travel with them everywhere we go, both business and personal, and just be able to see them as much as possible. So our suggestion is to get with the person who shared this information with you. Get started with myEcon as soon as possible, and you will not regret it. That's all we got.
Mr. and Mrs. Smith
signing out.